Maria, we need your help.
Okay.
Basically, we're eating too much unhealthy food.
Oh, no. But I try to cook very healthy meals. I mean, I use fresh vegetables, not too much oil.
Yeah, we're not talking about what you cook.
Sometimes there's meat with some fat on it, but that can be good.
I know, but...
A body without fat is not good. It's not attractive. It's just a skeleton. Like Ali McBeal, for instance. She's not skin and bone. She's just bone and bone.
Maria, we're not talking about the food that you cook.
Oh.
We're talking about snacky, unhealthy foods like crisps, chocolates, sweets, cakes.
Yes, and biscuits with pink icing on top. I love those.
We all love those.
Oh, can we stop this? There's far too much sugar in this conversation. I feel dizzy.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so all this food is very bad for you.
Exactly. So we want to ban any of that kind of food from this house. Anyone you see in possession of food like that, you confiscate it.
If you say so.
Good.
I will be strong.
Good.
Hey, you two! What are you doing eating that? Are you crazy? Ah, piginas.
She's good.
Penny for them?
What?
For your thoughts? Or €1, if, you know.
Hannah, I think my thoughts are worth a lot more than that.
Really?
No, not really. But I'll give you them for free when I'm ready.
Are you ill?
No.
Because I can help you. I'm a doctor.
You're not a doctor.
Well, I know, but, you know, I've watched Casualty quite a lot.
Hannah, I'm not ill. I'm just
What?
thinking.
About what?
I'm not telling you.
Oh. But we always said that we'd tell each other everything. And if something was bothering us, then we'd have to say.
I know.
So, what is it then?
Don't you ever give up?
No. It's part of my annoying charm.
Okay, I'll tell you. But you got to promise me you won't tell anyone else.
Deal. Stum.
Okay, you know, I've been thinking lately, wondering if I should.
Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing?
Easy.
What's going on?
We just.
Looking at the view.
Yeah.
Nice though, isn't it?
Fantastic.
It's nice and calm.
S Club.
John? What are you doing?
I'm following this new thing. It's the Juan Fernandez Matador workout, and it's kind of ecologically sound bullfighting because you don't actually need a bull.
Right. Okay.
John, what are you doing?
What's it look like I'm doing?
I don't know, you need a loo?
No, I'm jogging.
Joe doesn't jog.
Yeah, well, she does now. It's the new regime.
But I told you, Joe doesn't jog. Just because jog has got J-O in it, it don't mean you have to do it now, does it?
Bradley, I ain't got time.
There you are. Been looking for you everywhere. Did you want to tell me something?
Should go and sit down.
Paul, what's wrong?
Who said something's wrong?
You know, you just seem a little remote.
I'm not remote. I'm very close.
You know what I mean. Okay, look. I'll pay for your thoughts. Now, how much do you want?
You don't need to pay for my thoughts. You can have them for free. Look, fine, Anne.
Look at me and tell me there's nothing wrong.
Well, can't I just look at the wall? Or look at something else?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Look, nothing's wrong. Okay, yeah, there is something wrong. There's global warming, there's worldwide wars, there's not enough food, there's famine.
That's not what I mean. Hands back head if you don't tell me the truth.
Okay. But promise, you've got to promise me that you won't tell the others because I have to tell them myself.
Paul, this sounds serious. I don't know if I want to know anymore.
I want to leave the band.
Would you stop mucking around? Please just tell me the truth.
No, that is the truth. I'm gonna leave. I want to leave.
But why?
So many reasons. But the main one is I'm just not happy doing this anymore. S Club's about having fun whilst living your dream. And it's not my dream anymore.
Well, is it one of us who's made you feel that way? Has somebody upset you?
No, you guys are the reason that I've stayed so long.
Well, is it John? I mean, we know he can be quite irritating. Yeah?
No, it's not John.
Okay. Tina? Joe? I mean, they're a bit bossy, but you know they don't mean it.
No.
Is it me?
No. No, it's not anyone. It's me. I want to do something else. I want to do something different. I want to make my own kind of music. I've just come to the end of the line with the S Club. I've thought about it a lot. Nothing's going to change my mind.
So when are you going to leave?
Soon.
Oh, you can't do this.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Hannah. I've got to go.
Tell me, have you ever loved and lost somebody? Wish there was a chance to say I'm sorry. Can't you see? That's the way I feel about you and me, baby. Have you ever felt that your heart was breaking? Looking down the road you should be.
Bradley,
Yeah?
you're wrestling.
What?
Rustling, you know? Like a plastic bag or something.
Oh, yeah. That's me. I always rustle when I'm tired.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, what do you have in your pockets?
What do you mean?
I mean pockets, you know, that you put things in, like a bag of crisps.
You don't want to see inside my pockets, Marie. I mean, it's just full of boy stuff.
Yeah, right. Well, I say you have a bag of crisps in your pocket, and you know that's illegal.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I think they are... Oh, salt and vinegar.
You need to stay
Give
away.
it to me. I will count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Come here.
Stay back! Stay back!
Come here. Stop right there.
Get off!
With the authority invested in me by the S Club, I order you to hand it over. And the other one. And the rest.
You know, this is against my civil liberties, you know that. I can take you to the European Court of Human Rights.
But this is for your own good. I mean, you don't want to be a porky boy, do you?
No, not really.
You don't want people on the street to point at you and laugh and say, look, that's Bradley. He's an onion crispy boy.
No.
Well then, I take these away and destroy them. And one day you will thank me for this. Bradley,
What?
that bar of chocolate you have in your pocket? Don't eat it all at once.